Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a charcoal filter in this Frigidaire Range Vent Hood, be sure to turn off the power supply to the hood. Pull the right side lever down to release the grease filter. Reach into the cabinet and rotate the charcoal filter you're replacing clockwise to detach it from the blower assembly. To install the new charcoal filter, position it over the blower assembly cover. Align the slots on the filter with the pins on the cover and rotate the filter counterclockwise to lock it into place. Reinstall the grease filter by aligning the left side tabs with the slots in the hood. Then pull the lever to align the right side. Turn the power supply back on, and the range vent hood should be ready for use.